All right, so I've been out of town the last couple weeks. We've had some really cold, snowy weather, and the guys have got the sheeting on the roof, framed in these porches. You can see all those LVLs we put in, and we were able to set the trusses on them and sheet that all up. It's gonna be awesome, big old wraparound covered porch. Here's a nice covered entryway and a little garage off to the side. Things are really coming along nice, all things considered, working in the middle dead of winter. This stuff is all just kind of braced off and temporarily closed in. We'll get that all taken down and framed up and looking good here in the next day or so. This is the only side that doesn't have a porch, covered porch. The wraparound starts here. This is going to be an amazing beach coming up this spring. That's going to look awesome. And this wraparound porch is going to come around the whole way. You can see the field framing going on. That's Wolfgang up there. And that's his brother Mike. That's looking pretty awesome. I'm walking on the beach right now. At least the sun is shining, because it's cold. So just getting the last of the field framing in. We're gonna be putting in this last hip right here. That last hip set in the corner. Get the rest of that sheeting on. We got windows, Tyvek, roof paper, all coming here after lunch today. Not that we'll really need it, but at least it's coming. You can hear that obnoxious noise. That's Justin. He's good at making obnoxious noises. Cutting out for the window.
I am holding the saw saw and pressing the button.
This is the Justin show today. He's getting all the work done, as you've noticed in all the video clips so far. Look at the hair, the sun is shining. I mean, this is a good day.
I haven't felt the sun in like a month. It's like shining on my face.
It's like a bear coming out of hibernation.
I love it.
All right, we're tearing down all this temporary stuff to keep the weather out. Now it's time to frame it in and cover it all up. Hopefully we get that all done today. It's gonna be cold tomorrow. We all remember what happened the last time we had a big truck down this hill. Hey man, we got another one coming. These are our windows and doors.
I said, see the green guy? Yeah, I can lower it. Oh, he's got it. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, he's really strong.
Yeah. He
Look out.
doesn't look it, but he really is.
Watch out for the ice.
Glenn.
Big boy door coming in. Nice. All right, we got that torn off. We're getting it framed back in. We've actually got a door going up here. This is gonna be a door right in the center because there's gonna be a zip line all the way over to that island. So it'll be like a little lookout spiral staircase and a door going to zip line. How cool is that? What you doing?
Wait for you to grab these boards.
Well, how am I gonna grab these boards if I'm making a nice video like this?
What, I wonder that every day.
Here, let me sit down my drill. Let's see if I can do this. Got you, big boy.
No, that's right.
All right, so we're getting the door framed in, that side wall, the gable framed in for the zip line. This one, we're gonna go ahead and get it, all the temporary stuff get it framed in. It'll just be a nice picture window here. It's a nice We got our wall done on this side. We got our wall and our door put in over on the other side. He's got me my piece for right here.